Join me as I dive deep into the latest Soxl stock updates and see if I can uncover the truth behind the hype. Soxl stock has been a hot topic in the semiconductor sector, and for good reason. As a popular ETF that tracks the performance of semiconductor stocks, Soxl offers a unique way for investors to gain exposure to this rapidly evolving industry. If you're invested in Soxl or considering it, you should definitely care about this update. The semiconductor sector has been facing some tough times lately. We've seen significant market fluctuations that have left many investors wondering what's next. Soxl, in particular, has felt the heat, with its price movements closely tied to the fortunes of its underlying stocks. These fluctuations can be unsettling, but understanding their causes can help investors make more informed decisions. Economic indicators have been sending mixed signals, adding to the uncertainty. On one hand, some data points suggest a strong recovery is on the horizon. On the other, there are concerns about inflation and interest rates that could impact the sector's growth. Company performance metrics are also crucial here. How are the major semiconductor stocks within Soxl performing? Are they beating expectations or lagging behind? The industry trends are another critical factor. The global demand for semiconductors continues to grow, driven by innovations in AI, electric vehicles, and more. However, supply chain disruptions and geopolitical tensions are posing significant challenges. Keeping an eye on these trends can provide valuable insights into Soxl's potential trajectory. The big update that's got everyone talking is the recent price shift in Soxl. After a period of volatility, the stock has shown signs of a significant move. This could be due to a major strategic decision by one of its key holdings or a shift in market sentiment. Whatever the reason, it's essential to understand what drove this change and what it means for future investors. Another critical insight is the strategic decision made by a leading semiconductor company to invest heavily in new technologies. This move could have a ripple effect on Soxl's performance and is definitely worth keeping an eye on. For investors, staying ahead of these developments can mean the difference between profit and loss. The performance metrics of Soxl's top holdings are also worth a closer look. Some of these stocks have been outperforming expectations, which could bode well for Soxl's overall performance. Conversely, any underperformance could drag down the ETF's price. In conclusion, staying informed about Soxl's developments is crucial for investors. From market fluctuations to strategic decisions by key holdings, there are many factors at play. Keeping up to date can help investors make smarter decisions and avoid potential pitfalls. If you've got thoughts on Soxl or the semiconductor sector in general, I'd love to hear them. Leave a comment below. Also, check out my previous video on semiconductor stocks for more insights and analysis on this rapidly changing market.